Say one Igbo boy don't build water generator. Igbo is always looking for solution in Nigeria. This Igbo boy don't provoke, go build water generator that can give light to the full apartment and other houses. As that one dey happen Nigeria wardis wey dey feed prisoners are spending what they are feeding dog more than prisoners. That one no be zoological republic. As that one dey happen, they say one German woman don finally capture Nigeria police when they ask money for road and they ask the woman money. The woman use them do yeye. The information wey we dey get now be say that man, those two people, they don't sack them according to Nigeria. Wike for Abuja now. Wike is a mockery too, because a person wey live in people, wey buy in people, na so im go be for am. Abuja is chasing Wike as we dey talk now. My people, let's go and find out how these things are happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, please share this video and also follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn the notification bell so that you go to get our updates back to back as it is hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter what we get for our hand today. They say one Igbo boy don't build a water generator that can give life, that can give light to apartment. His dream was to make it so that the thing will be in market. So I'm going to play the video so that he can explain more better with his own math. The thing where he manufacture, where he build, where he invent for in hand. Let's watch the video together. Yeah, my people, my people, you people are doing great. This is what we want to be seeing. Let us go back to Igbo. The things you can do, do it. The world need you now. At this point of time, the world need us. So keep doing it, bro. Keep on. Our work here is to bring up what you are doing and show to the world. So if you get any support, we will give this our brother. You can do research and get to him. Yeah, my people, let's quickly jump into the next ogbonge news where we'll get for our hand today. This interview where we go play you now, may you hear how Nigeria they spend money for dog, but people where they inside prison, dog they chop. Waiting dog they chop. People where they inside prison for inside Nigeria, no they even chop them half. Which car country? If now the car call them Zoological Republic, Nigeria will be angry. This is the reason why. Here the reason why. Where does Zoological Republic come from? Just watch this video.
How much did you spend last year feeding dogs?
We have 800 per dog per day. And we have 900 dogs.
God have mercy upon us.
Multiplied by 365.
According to you, you feed that innocent who is presumed innocent with 750 naira a day at 250 naira per meal. And then a dog, you feed the dog with at least 800 naira a day. So a dog is better fed in Nigeria prison than an innocent Nigeria who is held. It's a policy issue. Whether it is the intention of government to appropriate more money to feed animals than to feed human beings.
Yeah, my people. Shebun, I don't hear them. If they use 800, they feed dog. Can they use 700? Then a day, human being they chop 200 naira for now. People where they inside prison. If you get anybody where they inside prison, pity for that person. That person don't see fire for inside Nigeria. So this is how this zoological republic is working. Could you imagine? Human being. Oh, God will never have. God have mercy upon you people. Yeah, my people, as that one they happen, may we quickly jump into this one. They say that Nigeria police don't enter inside wahala as they don't go. They ask one Jama woman where they told the whole Africa. The woman they drive the motorbike, that is Okada. They drive the whole Africa. So now police here for road though, they no even ask them, madam, where are you coming from? Where is your driving license? Where is this? Where is that? They no even ask them. Try am for here now. Go carry machine they drive. They go stop you and ask you. Try am for Europe. Try am for America. Try am for anywhere. They go ask you where is your patent there? Where is your driving license? Where is your this thing? But you just see white person in Africa. These people never see wise. It's how they laugh. May you find something. May you find something. Let's watch the video together.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello?
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
Eh?
Netherlands.
Now you they come? What do you bring up? See that? Eh? Oh, where they go?
Abuja.
Abuja?
See.
What you Abuja.
How are you?
Give me something else.
Everything.
Everything is fine.
Family.
Huh?
How's family?
Good.
Family is good.
This water.
Give me money.
Wait till you break come.
Huh?
Wait till you break come. I say wait till you break come.
What you want give me? Hey, wait till now. What you want give me? Oh yeah, give me something. Oh yeah, give me something now. Give me something.
You give me something.
Yeah. Give me money. Money.
Money. Why?
Give me.
Yeah, my people, Sheona don't see am. A police see stranger with motorbike for highway. He no even care to check am. Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Waiting thereafter, na making give am money. Ha! Now wow, my people, this one shock me. But after this one come happen, we be say the news come carry am. Now Nigeria police come outside. They say they don't arrest them. They don't arrest these people. But we want them to publish the video. The public want to see the video of these people. Could you imagine? However, that one they happen. Move drop into the next Ogbonge news. They say Weekender is singing that mandate of Bola Ahmed Tinubu Nigeria instant. The same weekend we say Ahmed Tinubu is he didn't win the election. That who win the election is Peter Obi. You see how these people are using our life to play. You see how these politicians, they use the youth of Nigeria, they play. However, let's watch the minister of whatever in Abuja. Let's watch him.
Yes, sir.
Chief of Staff's office. Well done. Very nice. I'm glad to see this.
This is the people that you think that will make Nigeria better. You see, the kind of tea they are drinking in office with golden cup, with this thing. Do you think that these people send you message? Do you think that these people will everly think something good about Nigeria, not of their pocket and their family? That is impossible. It can't happen. So you see, when they finish chopping you, waiting they set for House of Assembly, when they don't approve them, they now start dancing for you. So let's quickly look into this Ogbonge news where they come up now. The governor of Enugu State will be in Bar. They say that in task force they collect money for market women near Barak in Nsoka side. And the Simon Ekpa, the Biáfrá government, the PM of Biáfrá government in exile, don't call outside this particular place, and they say make they stop, they collect money for those women for market. If they continue he go send Biáfrá Liberation Army follow them. No be smart, you know. My people, share this video. We are going to play you the video now for you to watch. I will come back and continue. Most of una wey dey familiar to this area, una go know the place wey be this. Where this thing dey happen for Nsoka. They don call outside these people wey dey collect money for inside this market. Say make they know they collect money for those women for inside this market. Yeah, my people, please share this video, or Biáfrá Liberation Army go visit them. Share this video and make sure say it go viral. They here, they bring you information, they talk things where they happen, and make your own work now to help us. Now share the video and make sure say other people they get our information. And don't forget to follow this page, turn your notification bell, so that anytime we will upload any video, you could be the first person where go to get them. We will see you for the next update as it hot.